In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a value, not a formula, in Google Sheets. If you've ever worked with spreadsheets, you may have encountered the scenario where you try to copy a sum or any calculated result to a different cell, only to find that the value changes unexpectedly, often to zero. This happens because you're actually copying the formula behind the value rather than the value itself. Let's dive into how you can easily copy just the value and not the formula. First, let's replicate the initial process to highlight the issue. So imagine you have a cell with a sum that you've calculated. What typically happens is, if you select that cell and press Ctrl C to copy, then navigate to a different cell and simply press Ctrl V to paste, you might see that the value doesn't carry over accurately. Instead, the formula is pasted, which recalculates based on the new cell context, sometimes giving you a result like 0 or another unrelated number. Now, the key to copying only the value and not the formula involves a couple of extra but simple steps. Start by copying the sum just as you did before. Highlight the cell with the value you want to duplicate and use Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy that data. Then, instead of directly pasting it with Ctrl V, you right-click on the target cell where you want your value to go. In the drop-down menu that appears, hover over the Paste Special option. Another menu will pop out, and here you're going to select Paste Values Only. By choosing this option, what you're doing is telling Google Sheets to take the numerical or text value of the original cell and paste just that, leaving the underlying formula behind. Additionally, there's a handy keyboard shortcut that speeds up this process. Instead of using the mouse to navigate through the menus, you can use a quick key combination. Once you've copied the cell with Ctrl C, to paste the value only, press Ctrl Shift V. This shortcut directly pastes the value and bypasses the formula altogether, making it a quick and efficient method for those who prefer using the keyboard. And there you have it. By using either the right-click and Paste Special method or the Ctrl Shift V shortcut, you can easily copy values without inadvertently transferring the formulas. This technique becomes especially useful in large spreadsheets or when collaborating with others, where maintaining data integrity is crucial. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tip makes your work in Google Sheets smoother and more effective. Happy spreadsheeting!